Now today we will move to next exercise, decimals. Okay. So number expressed in decimal form, numbers expressed in decimal form is called decimals. Okay. So now decimal has two parts. The first one is whole number and the second one is decimal part. As we can see some example like 74 decimal 57. So 74 is the whole number and decimal 57 is the decimal part. Okay. Now decimal places. Decimal places means the numbers of digits contained in decimal part. The number of digits contained in decimal part of a decimal gives the number of decimals places. Like 86 decimal 756. So what is the number of decimal places here? 3. Okay. Now some more example. 75 decimal 26. So here is 2 decimal places. Okay. Now like decimals and unlike decimals. Let's say decimal, we will see decimal places. Decimals having same number of decimal places. Decimals having same number of decimal places are like decimals. Like 26 decimal 27, 15 decimal 29, 36 decimal 25. These all three have 2 decimal places. Okay, so they are like decimals. Now unlike decimals, just opposite of it. So decimals having different number of decimal places. Like we will see some example. 29 decimal 367, 86 decimal 3296, 57 decimal 2. So here we can see, here is 3 decimal places, here is 4 decimal places, and here is 1 decimal places. So they all three are unlike decimals. Okay. Now we move to exercise 3A. Exercise. First question says, convert each of the following fractions in its simplest form. Okay, so we have to convert it in its simplest form. So at first, the first question is decimal 8. So further, for decimal, we will place 1 and we will see the number of decimal places. So here 1. So we will place 1 0. Now we will divide it. 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja. Now further division cannot be wrong. So 4 by 5 will be your answer. This is in simplest form. Likewise, you will solve other questions. In question number 2, convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. So first question, 5 decimal 6. So for such 56 by 10, there is 1 decimal place, so we will place 1 0 with 1. Okay, so 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Now we have to convert it in mixed fraction, so we will divide 28 by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 3 remains there, so 3 by 5. This will be your answer. Question number 4. 4 decimal 6 to 5. For such 4 6 to 5, we have removed decimal from here, so we will place 1 and we will count the number of decimal places. So 1 2 3. So 3 zeros will be there. Now we will divide it. 5 2s are 0 0. 5 9s are 45. 1 2 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 20. Now 5 4s are. Now 5 1s are 5. 4 2. 5s are. Now 5 8s are. 5 3s are 15. Now 37. So 37 by 8, it has to be converted into mixed fraction. So we will divide 37 by 8. So 8 4s are 32. Now 5 remains there. 5 by 8. This will be your answer. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 says convert each of the following into a decimal. Okay. Convert each of the following into a decimal. Question number 1. 47 by 10. It's very simple. We will see the number of zeros here. There is one zero. Okay. So we will write 47 and we will count one digit from left hand side. So because there is one zero, so one digit is here and we will place one decimal here. So that is 4 decimal 7. So number of zeros, so number of digits will be counted from left hand side and we will place decimal here. Now some different question from here. Question number 7. 2 whole 2 by 5. So 5 2s are 10 to 12 by 5. Now to convert into decimal, we will have to divide 12 by 5. So 5 2s are 10. Here 2 remains. Now further 2 cannot be divided by 5. So we will place one decimal here and this will give you 1 0. Now 5 can divide 20. 5 4s are 20. So that is 2 decimal 4 will be your answer. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 says convert each of the following. Convert each of the following into like decimals. Into like decimals. Question number 1. 6 decimal 5, 16 decimal 03, 0 decimal 274 and 119 decimal 4. To convert them into like decimals, at first we have to keep in mind that they must have same number of decimal places. So at first we will see which one of these 4 have maximum number of decimal places. So in these all 4 we can see 0.274. It has 3 decimal places. So we must have these all 3 as 3 decimal places. So we have to convert them, these 6 decimal 5, 16 decimal 03 and 119 decimal 4 into 3 decimal places. So 6 decimal 5 00, 16 decimal 03 0, 0 decimal 274, it has already 3 decimal places, and 119 decimal 4 00. Now we can see these all have 3 decimal places, so we have converted into like decimals. Okay. 5. Question number 5 says fill in each of the places placeholders with the correct symbols less than or greater than. So first we will see 78 decimal 23, 69 decimal 85. At first we have to compare these two. So first we will compare their whole number part, 78 and 69. Which one is greater? 78 is greater, so already we will place greater. Okay. For example, question number 4. 14 decimal 05 and 14 decimal 005. Now we can see their both whole number part is equal, 14 and 14. Then we will go for 10th place, unit place and 100th place. That is 14 decimal 05 and 14 decimal 005. So we have to compare them. Okay. So here we can see 05 and here 005. So this will be greater. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 6. Arrange the following decimals in ascending order. Ascending order does mean that the smallest one will be first, then it's bigger than them, and the biggest one. So we will have one for question number 1. 4 decimal 6, 7 decimal 4, 4 decimal 58, 7 decimal 32, and 4 decimal 06. 4 decimal 6, 7 decimal 4, 4 decimal 58, 7 decimal 32 and 4 decimal 06. Now we have to arrange them in ascending order. So at first we will convert them into like decimals. So for such, we will see the maximum number of decimal places is here 2 and 2. So these all will be converted into having 2 decimal places. 4 decimal 60, 7 decimal 40, 4 decimal 58 already, 7 decimal 32 already, and 4 decimal 06. Now we will compare their whole number part first. There are two parts of decimals, na? Whole number part and decimal part. So at first we will compare their whole number part. So that is 4, 7, 4, 7, 4. So which one is the smallest? 4. Now we will see their decimal part. So in this 4 decimal 60, 4 decimal 58 and 4 decimal 06, this one is the smallest one. So we will write 4 decimal 06. Now greater than that is 4 decimal 58. Now again 4 decimal 60. Now again 7 decimal 32, and the last, the greatest one is, the larger one is 7 decimal 40. Will be your answer. Okay. Question number 7 is the same. We have to arrange the following decimals into descending order. As such, we have gone for ascending order. You will go for descending order. The process is same. You will write first the largest one, then smaller one, and the smallest one. Now we will go for question number 8. Question number 8 says express 45 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. We have to convert it. Now we know 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. So to convert 45 millimeter into centimeter, we will divide it by 10. So 45 by 10, that is 4 decimal 5 centimeter. Now 1 meter has 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. So that is 1000 millimeter. So 1 meter has 1000 millimeter. So now we will divide 45 by 1000. So this will be 4, 5, 3 zeros. We will count 3 digits from right hand side. 1, 2 and 3 decimal. 3. So that will be meter. Now for kilometer, 1 kilometer has 1000 meter, 1 meter has 100 centimeter, and then 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So one has 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter. Now we have to divide 45 by this. 45 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will write 45. We will count 6 digits from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We place decimal here. This much kilometer will be your answer. Okay. Number 9. Express as rupees using decimals. 8 paise. First number is 8 paise. We have to convert it into rupees. We know 1 rupees has 100 paise. So we will divide it by 100. And that will give you 8. We will count 2 decimal places. 1 and 2. Here. So this much rupees will be your answer. Now next is 9 rupees 75 paise. Now for such, we know 1 rupees has 100 paise. So 9 into 100 and plus 75 is already in paise. So that is 900 plus 75. So that is 975 paise. Now we have to convert it into rupees. So we will divide it by 100. And this will give you 9.75 rupees. 2 zeros are there, so 2 decimal places will be counted from this side. So 2 decimal places. After 2 decimal places, we have put decimal, and that is 9 rupees 75 paise. Now, question number 10. Express in kilometer using decimals. So first one is 65 meter. We have to convert it into kilometer. As we know, 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. So we will divide it by 1000. Simple. And we will write 65. There are 3 zeros. So there must be 3 decimal places counting from this side. So 1, 2 and there is 3 decimal 0. That is 0.065 kilometer. Okay students, so now you will solve the remaining questions of as we have I have solved so many questions, maximum number of questions from exercise 3A. The remaining questions will be solved by you in your homework copy. Now tomorrow we will move to exercise 3B. Okay, now students, there is a notice for you. You must go through a revision process also. You must revise all the taught exercises, all the taught previous exercises by yourself, and if you have any question, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay students, best of luck.